Welcome again to the English class. Let us continue the lesson A Diary of Anna Frank. So, till date, I have explained that Anna didn't have a very good friend, so she had made a diary, a very good friend of hers, and she has given a name Kitty. So, she used to share so many things with Kitty, but it is really hard to understand for anyone else outside that what feeling she was having towards Kitty or what she is going to discuss with Kitty. Actually, she was going to unfold those chapters with Kitty, which are in uh, reserve or which are confidential, which can never be unfolded to anyone in front of anyone else. Okay, so now we will see how she has unfolded everything in front of Kitty. So actually Anna was belonging to a family where she is having father, mother and an elder sister. Her elder sister Margot got Margot came to the world in the year 1926 and Anna came to the world in the year 1929. So in 1926 and 1929 there is a difference of 3 years. So Anna is junior most in the family. Margot is the senior elder sister. So as soon as these two girls they came in this world, they were living in Frankfurt, Germany. Okay, their father was great. Not great actually. Their father was a normal working person. He got emigrated. Emigrated means transferred to Holland in December. Okay, and in September, Frank's mother, she also went to their father. Frank's mother also went with her husband to make himself settled well done. And later on, after 2 or 3 months, Frank's elder sister Margot, she got shifted to Holland. And after the shifting of Margot, Anna, after 1.5 months, she also got shifted to Holland. So now the full family has settled down in Holland, where her father got emigrated just after they grown up. Okay, till 4 years, Anna was in Frankfurt, Germany. Later, these two girls, they were kept in Germany. Kept in Germany means they were forced or they were being provided hostel where they will remain and keep on their studies. And after a few days, after a few months, Margot, elder sister of Anna, she went to Holland to her mother and father. And as soon as Margot went off over there, after 1.5 months or 2 months, Anna also went to Holland, and now the family got well settled. Then I started right away at Montessori Nursery School. I stayed there till I was 6. At which time I started in this first form. In the 6th form, my teacher was Mrs. Cupris, the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. So very naturally, 2 years she remained over there till 6 in Frankfurt, Germany. And when a child or children, they join a school and start their life from there, and when they are supposed to leave, it is very heartbreaking incidents. Teachers got emotional. The child gets emotional because they have an attachment. There is a big and sweet attachment between a student and a teacher, a child and a second mother, that is a teacher. And so the headmistress of their school, she got her eyes sweated as Anna was leaving. In the summer 1941, grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So my birthday past was little celebration. So unfortunately, at this time, Anna had her birthday, but her grandmother got ill and she could not celebrate her birthday nicely. Just basic some celebrations were there. Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. The four of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 28th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. So, in 1941, her grandmother got severely ill. She could not celebrate her birthday because they were not mentally sound. In 1942, just 1 year later, her grandmother died. She left them. And that year, when the birthday celebration came, that was a double celebration. One was the sorrow part, second was the happy part. Sorrow part because her grandmother was not there with her, and she was in a huge intimacy, or there was a huge and sweet bonding, very deep bonding rather I should say, with her grandmother. And till date, she laments for her. She cries for her. And in 1942, 28th June, she declared everything to the diary. That was a very memorable and remarkable date in her life. She has written, "Dearest diary, our entire class is quacking in its boots. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which of the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Half the class is making the bets. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us, CN and Jakes, who have staked their entire holiday savings on their bet. From the morning to night, it's, you are going to pass? No, I am not. Yes, you are? No, I am not." So, there was a controversy going on between all the students in the class. Can you tell me why? Because that was the day of your progress report. What you have done the whole year and what you are going to get as a result, that is going to come in front of you in black and white. And so all the children were in trauma. They are in huge tension. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? Someone is telling, challenge, I am going to get this one. Some others are telling, Baba, I am not going to say anything. Ore Baba re, what will happen? पता नहीं क्या होगा, कितना नंबर मिलेगा, लिखा तो अच्छा है. और कोई बोल रहा है, अरे अच्छा लिखा है, अच्छा ही नंबर मिलेगा, क्या फालतू में टेंशन करना. So different type of students are there. Different children are having different outputs. Now this poor Anna, she is feeling to laugh, she is feeling to cry, she is feeling to tense. Means a mingle of expressions are going inside her mind. Some children are there, some students are there, they have kept bet and they have kept all their stockings, their savings in stake. আমি জিতবো, আমি ডেফিনেটলি জিতবো. কিভাবে জিতবো? আমি প্রচুর নাম্বার পেয়ে জিতবো. But no one knows what is going to come as a result. So what do you think? What is going to be the result? Strange, no? We will see that in the next class. Okay. Go through this part and stay healthy, stay tuned. Meet you very, very soon. Thank you.